When we think of data, we often associate it with artificial intelligence, machine learning, or big data. But as a teacher, you collect meaningful data every day, from exams and feedback sheets to classroom observations and learning analytics. The question is, how to use these data effectively to support student learning? Education technologies promise to simplify data collection, offering insights through dashboards. But data alone cannot tell the full story of student learning. It offers only one view of what happens in the classroom. That's why it's essential to take a critical approach, understanding how data is collected, interpreted, and applied in the classroom, be it by you or by the means of education technologies. In this course, we will combine insights from teacher action research, learning analytics, and critical data literacy. You will explore how teachers use data in practice. You learn different ways to define and collect data, both digital and non-digital, and evaluate how data-driven digital tools impact teaching. Throughout the course, you will also consider implications for inclusion. So join us to develop your critical data literacy and turn data into meaningful action.